If you want to change the slide background image in LibreOffice Impress, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to set an image as your slide background, whether you're starting a new presentation or editing an existing one. This is a great way to make your slides look more professional, more visually appealing, and more engaging for your audience. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're creating a new presentation, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation made, go ahead and open that file instead. Once your presentation is open, select the slide where you want to change the background image. You can do this for one slide at a time, which is useful if you want different slides to have different looks, or you can repeat the process for multiple slides. Now, move your mouse over an empty area of the slide and right-click. This is important because you want to open the slide options, not select a text box or a shape. From the menu that appears, click Slide Properties or Page Properties. Depending on your version of LibreOffice, the wording may be slightly different, but both options will take you to the same place where you can adjust the slide background. Once the Properties window opens, look for the Background or Area section. This is where LibreOffice lets you control the slide's visual appearance. In this section, choose Bitmap or Image. This tells LibreOffice that you want to use a picture instead of a solid color or gradient. After that, browse for the image you want to use as the background and select it from your files. When you've chosen the image, apply the changes. LibreOffice will set that image as the background for your selected slide. Depending on the image and the slide size, it may automatically fit, tile, or stretch the image. If needed, you can go back and adjust the settings until the slide looks exactly the way you want. The selected image will now be used as the slide background, giving your presentation a custom and polished design. If you want to use the same background on other slides, just repeat these steps for each slide. And if you decide you want to change it later, you can always come back into Slide Properties and choose a different image or background style. That makes LibreOffice Impress very flexible for editing presentations quickly and easily. So that's how to change the slide background image in LibreOffice Impress. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your presentation looks. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.